Reviews best motorcycles with reverse gears. Kawasaki Concours 14. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of sport touring motorcycles, specifically those that offer advanced features like reverse gear. While the Kawasaki Concours 14 doesn't come standard with a reverse gear, its powerful engine and comfortable ride make it a top choice for long-distance touring. Background and description. The Kawasaki Concours 14 is a powerful and comfortable sport touring motorcycle designed for long-distance travel. It's powered by a 1,441 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine that delivers a smooth and torquey performance, perfect for highway cruising and spirited riding. Key features and benefits. While the Concours 14 doesn't have a factory-installed reverse gear, its impressive performance and comfort features make it a top contender in the sport touring category. Some of its key features include: powerful engine, delivers ample power and torque for effortless acceleration and highway cruising. Comfortable ergonomics, well-padded seat, adjustable windscreen, and ergonomic handlebars for long-distance comfort. Advanced electronics, features like traction control, ABS, and electronic cruise control enhance safety and convenience. Spacious storage, ample storage space in the saddlebags and top case for long journeys. Sporty handling, agile handling and responsive steering for a dynamic riding experience. Target audience and relevance. The Concours 14 is ideal for riders who are looking for a high-performance sport touring motorcycle that can handle long-distance travel with ease. Its powerful engine, comfortable ergonomics, and advanced features make it a top choice for those who want to explore new horizons. Expert reviews. The Concours 14 has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, comfortable ride, and advanced features. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The Concours 14 is a fantastic choice for riders who want a premium sport touring motorcycle. It's comfortable, powerful, and a lot of fun to ride." Comparison to other sport touring motorcycles. When compared to other popular sport touring motorcycles, the Kawasaki Concours 14 stands out for its powerful engine and comfortable ride. While it may not have a reverse gear, its overall performance and versatility make it a strong contender in the segment. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Concours 14 is a well-rounded sport touring motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and comfort. While it may not have a factory-installed reverse gear, its impressive features and capabilities make it a top choice for long-distance touring. So, if you're looking for a powerful and comfortable sport touring motorcycle, the Concours 14 is definitely worth considering.